We're in Napa, baby! We are going to wine country next weekend.
So naturally we need outfits.
You have to have good wine country outfits when you go.
Savannah, do you not have a case on your phone?
No, I don't.
Ballsy, dude.
We're just gonna browse. We're not necessarily like shopping, but we're just taking a walk, and like if we walk into a store and find a wine outfit, like so be it. Are we drunk shopping? So we came to go shopping and like, oh my gosh. Maybe. Just like, you need all this stuff for wine together. Especially after we've had rosé. Guys, going shopping when you're buzzed is a terrible idea, and you shouldn't do it if you care about your bank account. But if you don't care about your bank account, you should totally do it. Because look how much stuff we're gonna get. Okay, update. Liz and I just got reposted on Drunk Betch, and they have like 3.5 million followers, and they posted our video like 30 minutes ago, and it already has like 117,000 views. Our followers has already like gone up a lot, so we're like really excited. And on that note, we are off to Napa.
We stayed in Calistoga, which is just 15 minutes north of St. Helena, which is the touristy part of Napa. Calistoga gives a much more local feel than we've gotten when we've stayed in St. Helena, so we highly recommend this area.
Okay, we're at our first tasting in Napa. First stop on our trip was Louis M. Martini. As soon as we came in, we were blown away by the architecture.
Our friend Tyler hooked us up with a Heritage Lounge tasting. This tasting features the reserve wines along with food pairings.
This is the before picture.
I'm just shocked of all this food right now.
We have a lot of wine, so
Food.
this is the check-in now. We'll check in an hour when we're done with this.
We're gonna be on the couch like this.
Something that we loved about this tasting was how educational it was. We actually learned so much that we decided to start a new series called Wine History with Liz.
There's too many fucking mountains in Napa. Napa's small, but there's a lot of fucking mountains. I need a fucking map in front of my face. I'm saying fucking a lot. Monte Rosa. That's a popular mountain. Okay, but let me talk about Howell. Howell Mountain. At Howell, they're like, I don't grow that much wine. You know what I mean? Like, I don't have that much wine there. You can't really grow wine here. So the wine that's grown there is really cool and special, and that's what Howell's about.
Trying to be classy, and Liz just shattered her glass. Guys, we just had the most amazing time.
Oh my god, it's freezing.
Liz is freezing her ass off.
I just want to address, right when we walked in the fucking door, these guys, like, these old dudes are sitting next to us, just got they laughed at us right when we walked in the door.
As we walked in, but our server was so
Nicole,
amazing.
shout out Nicole. She was passionate about it, and it showed, and what was so amazing and beautiful is that, like, she didn't belittle you for asking a question.
Yeah.
She was genuinely passionate about, oh, there she is. She's so dope. Like, I want to be her friend.
We're going to another bar.
Love and water, baby.
Oh yeah, baby, getting lit. So I'm just sitting at a bar with Liz, and she just tells me that her mom signed me up to run a 5K.
Better start training.
Was I hungover this morning? Yes. Am I now?
Were you really?
Yeah, I really was.
We're feeling good. We're feeling energized. We're feeling ready to drink wine.
First tasting of the day was Lola. We booked this tasting because it was within walking distance to our hotel, and we were so surprised by how incredible the experience was.
Their tasting room is literally a house. They do their tastings in their backyard with tiki music playing in the background. It's so cute and cozy.
All right, first wine of the day. We are at Lola Winery in Calistoga, and we're trying a dry Riesling to start off. Cheers.
Liz just said she doesn't want to finish her tasting, and I'm just like,
It's not that I don't want to, I just don't know if I can.
you have to. It's the rules. It's our first one of the day. There she goes. Bye.
We just got done at Lola. The best experience.
Guys,
One of the best experiences we've had.
it was amazing.
We were supposed to only have 4 tastings, and they ended up giving us
They gave us a lot.
6 or 7. So we're feeling a little, oh.
Like, they gave us tastings of their educational wines just to like kind of help us understand like what this specific vintage was about.
And we asked so many questions, and they were excited to tell us like about it and about the wine and how it's made. They educated the shit out of us.
We're Psalms, basically.
We're fucking Psalms after this. Next stop was Amici Cellars. The winery is tucked away on a gorgeous property in the foothills of Calistoga.
And fun fact, the house is a replica of the family's house in Cape Cod. So we're at Amici Cellars, and
We've had a great experience so far. We honestly forgot to take videos because we've been having such an engaging, really cool conversation with Jeff. Shout out, Jeff.
shout out. What I love about our server is that he's giving us 2 different tastes of the same wine grown in different areas of Napa, and it helps us really kind of understand why these grapes are different and what about the region specifically kind of separates them.
Yeah. We're listening to like covers of Pearl Jam in the background. Like, can't get any better than this.
Do I have wine teeth?
Yeah, do I?
Not really.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a surprise. I whitened my teeth this morning, so.
That's why. Shout out Crest. If you're a Crest, please sponsor us.
Sponsor us.
Have we had too much wine today? Are you? No, that's the definition of yes. You just licked my face. Serious face.
So serious.
Liz and I are at our 3rd tasting, and we ended up just ordering a bottle because our tongues are just like not able to taste anything anymore.
We can't.
We're
Do you look sober? Tell us. So we didn't have as much of an experience here, but they had a really beautiful space, so we totally just got a ton of content for TikTok.
also follow us on TikTok. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Hannah, is that you?
I'm gonna start ending all of our vlog posts with that. Like, whoa.
Oh, like to transition into each like vineyard.
Can we get a transition take from you?
Wow, wow.
Tonight we're going to Farmstead. Everyone in town has been hyping up this restaurant, so I'm really excited. And
I'm excited to eat food. Like,
we've been eating nothing but meaning cheese all day and wine. Here's the situation. We drank so much wine today that now we're out at dinner and we're drinking beer. I think this is too much.
Good.
This is like post. I feel like the chicken wings has become a post-wine tasting tradition. Like, I have like multiple videos of you eating chicken wings after we drink a lot of wine.
Last stop on our Napa trip was Tank Winery. To vacation? 3 days straight of drinking. I don't
Oh my gosh, we are just leaving our tasting from Tank and I'm literally obsessed with this place.
It is so cool, it's fun, it's hip, it's young, and they kind of break the rules of wine, and they just make it fun and enjoyable.
They like kind of pride themselves on being the black sheep of Napa Valley, and they just want to break up. Oh, what happened? Hold for wardrobe.
Shout out he. He was amazing, explaining the wines. Also, I love that they do sort of charity. This year was self-love because of the pandemic. So $1, if you buy a bottle, $1 goes to
Mental health. If we become members today,
we sure fucking did.
absolutely.
It's heavy.
Napa, wow. That was a good trip.
That was an amazing trip. Honestly, I don't think we've had such good back-to-back experiences
Yeah.
like we did this trip.
I was kind of nervous coming up here because Napa, there's a lot of wine snobs, and like especially us, we're coming up and doing vlogs and Instagram and TikToks. And
We're fucking annoying, really.
we're annoying, honestly. And but like everyone was so open and like wanted to talk about wine. And I think that's just Calistoga in general, because I feel like it's more local and it's, you know. Do you have a favorite spot that we went to? I know, it's so hard.
It's really hard. I mean, I would say Lola, but I absolutely love every single one of the experiences for very different reasons.
Yeah.
Lola was so laid back, casual, but also like they really experimented really well with their wines.
Yeah.
Nietzsche, that was probably our you know, more higher end experience. We got to try like $400 bottle wines.
We couldn't afford it.
We couldn't afford it, but
we tried it.
Jeff was awesome. We had a great experience there. Like every one was such a great experience. If you like this video, like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to see us getting more wine drunk,
come back, follow us on Instagram and TikTok. It's at Overpoured and Screwed. And I think we need to go drink more wine because I'm kind of sober now.
we're busy, so
Bye. Let's just take a moment to be
present, appreciative of
health and wellness.
all the wine.
Also, do we look like we've been drinking?
It's a Greek.
It's a grape. Great.
Wine teeth. We got our smoothies to cleanse our liver.
Yep.
Now it's time to destroy it.
Trash it.
All right, we are at Lola.
No, we're not. No, we're not.
Fuck.
Stop it.